Hello, I welcome you all on this exclusive video on Excel to Tally developed by CBD IT Solutions. Data entry is very important and crucial task of organization. Importing data in Tally without an XML file is not possible. So our Excel to Tally utility will help users to import data in Tally. Yes, so Tally can import only XML files, but normally we want to import Excel also. So that is possible with our utility which is named as Excel to Tally. So what are the key features? First is separate template for each voucher type, that is sale, purchase or bank. Even we can have one single template for all voucher types also. Both options are available with us. Second, we can check statistics to check import status. Third is easy data entry. Yes, with the help of this utility you can easily import data. Fourth, it is useful for CAs and tax consultant. Why? Because the data volume of CA is very large, many users are there, they work on different companies simultaneously. So it may possible that if they have utility to import data for data entry, so it will definitely ease their work. Okay, so let's see now what are the steps to import data. First, you should be ready with your Excel to import data. Second, load Excel and verify masters. Then third, upload data. After uploading data, you can verify import status. Let's see practically also how it will work. So this is my Tally screen. Already I have mapped the TDL over here. That's why this option is activated as Excel import. Also, I am ready with the Excel. I want to pass purchase entries for the month of November. Okay, so my Excel is ready and I want to import this Excel. Even I will check my profit and loss account and purchase account for the month of November. So no any entries are there. Okay. Now we will start importing data. First step is to generate template. Already I have generated template. So I will check that with the help of modify template option. Okay. So this is my template name, Excel path, Excel name which you want to import, sheet name and import type. Now here if you want to import different, that means if you want to import stock item, stock group, cost center, you can import that also. But right now I want to import accounting voucher. So I will select accounting voucher. Then next, set or alter voucher columns. I will keep this option as yes. Okay. And then here I will map Excel columns with Tally field. Say for example, in our Excel, column number 1 is date, column number 2 is party name, that means credit ledger. So see, column number 1 is date, column number 2 is credit ledger. So in this way you will map all the columns, that is column number 3, 4, 5 and 6. After doing this, you can go ahead. Okay, if you have any doubt that if you want to check whether you have mapped correctly, you can check with the help of third option, that is import preview. Okay, if any option or if any field is showing in a red font, that means there is error or problem. And then fourth option is to import the Excel. You will select the template and you will go ahead to import that data. So in this way I have imported data. I will check that in my profit and loss account. In profit and loss account for purchase, for the month of November, all 3 entries are imported. You can see over here all 3 entries are imported. Okay, and then you can even check that on DSS, that means display. Okay, and on statistics screen on purchase. In the month of November, all 3 entries are imported. Okay. So in this way you can import data easily into the Tally with the help of Excel. If you want to buy this utility, you can contact us on this number or you can mail on this mail ID. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel to have more updates and to have notification of next video. Next video probably will be on image signature. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.